Welcome back. You're still tuned into Power Breakfast. Now let's talk about some of the big earnings that came through yesterday post-market close. The first one is, of course, Wipro. Now it reported its Q2 numbers. And anyway, this company has not been reporting very good numbers for the past several quarters. But this time as well, it was quite weak. So Reema is here to take us through how the performance looked this time around. Reema.
Thanks so much for that. So it's a weak showing from Wipro in the second quarter. Constant currency revenue has declined by 2% on a sequential basis. This is the third consecutive quarter when we've seen a top-line decline. Also, the revenue decline at -2% or of 2% is at the lower end of the company's guidance. For Q2, they had guided for revenues to come in between -2% to +1%. So Q2 has come in at the lower end of the company's guidance. For the next quarter, that's the December quarter, October to December period, the outlook appears to have deteriorated because the company is guiding for -3.5% to -1.5%, which basically means in your best case also, revenues are going to fall, and they're going to fall by 1.5%. So that's a bit disappointing. Headcount for the company has fallen by 5,000. This has been a trend across IT companies, but for Wipro, it's the fourth consecutive quarter where the headcount has fallen. Attrition, though, has meaningfully deteriorated. Large bookings, or the overall booking numbers, though, is very, very healthy. Total bookings have come in at $3.8 billion, and the large deal TCVs has gone up by 79% on a year-on-year basis at $1.3 billion. But unfortunately, this pickup in order wins is not translating into revenue acceleration for IT companies, and Wipro has reported weak Q2, and it appears the Q3 guidance too has come in lower than what the street was anticipating.
All right, Reema, thanks a lot for taking us through all of those numbers. The stock also ended at the low point of trade yesterday, so let's see how it behaves today in the trading session.